Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook nearby friends option not showing. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. The first step is you need to do is to click on Facebook and uninstall Facebook. Once you done that, you simply need to go and open Google and search here Facebook old version APK, and here you click on any website. So I'm going to open the second one, and here you can find the different old version of Facebook. You simply need to install the application, any one from here, and once you install that application will have the feature of Facebook nearby friends on Facebook. So this is a process by which you can fix nearby friends option not showing on Facebook. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.